Hey friends, if you wish to investigate a billing charge from Microsoft, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, a lot of users have been complaining that Microsoft has been charging them for some service that they never even used. All you need to do is go to this website msbill.info. Now, let me show you msbill.info. Okay, it's not a website, it will redirect you to the support.microsoft.com page, which is fine. Click on this manage your payments link. Okay, and then log in using your Microsoft account and then enter your PIN or whatever security measure you used, fingerprint, PIN, facial recognition, whatever it is. And then you can check it in the notification sections on what all you have been charged for. Now, I have not used anything, that's why it doesn't show any charge, but you can check all notifications and all transactions in the past, what do you say, 60 days. And if you find anything suspicious, simply click on investigate. And you can always contact Microsoft for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.